Hello trendsetters, how are we? Well, here we are. We are in the van, night one. But this is what it's going to be. Here's what it is. I'm going to get pegs because the magnets probably won't hold for very long. And then I need to get better window covers. Or I'll probably just spray paint the windows for now because I don't really need to see out. I got my light there. Ryobi. I don't know if you can see that or not. iPhone. So it doesn't let me, you know the drill. It doesn't let you change the camera. It's really weird, eh? Like, you need to turn the camera around. You got to turn the whole phone around. Stupid. You think if you're going to do this sort of stuff, especially with an iPhone, you should be able to just, turn the camera instead of pausing, turning, unpausing, recording, then pause it to turn it back to you. So stupid. I mean, you can do it on the Samsung. I should have my Samsung, but oh well. So yeah, those who do not follow me or those who don't know me, I'm Neo. Hello. I bought a van probably about 8 months ago, 9 months ago, 10 months ago, 10 months ago. Yeah, 10 months ago, from Ballina. Nice tropical climate. Bring it up to a humid, hot Queensland, and yeah, in Brisbane here. And all the wood started to buckle, so I had to rip everything out, which is painful. Now I'm living in the van because, well, there's some personal things happening at the moment, and yeah, so look where the green light is. Yes. It's a choice that we both made, and we are working together, and we will be going forward, and yeah, so it gives me a chance to be in here. I gotta get better window cover. I mean, it's one of the biggest Mercedes vans you can get. I've just got the really big bed in here, so that's the back barn doors there that you can see. Yeah, I had a look online for actual window covers for these things, and they're not cheap. Everything that you want to do with these things, if you want to do accessories and if you want to do building and stuff like that, you really got to pay through the nose for it. And I get it. I mean, it's custom made, and custom stuff doesn't come cheap. So I understand it. I fully get it. I respect it. It's just, look, once I get up there and I have everything that I need, like, I mean, nothing in the van is going by itself at the moment. I have no batteries. I have no inverter. I have no power. None. I am staying in someone's driveway in Brisbane. So there's shade. I'm good. I'm gonna lose some weight. I'm gonna lose some weight because I'm really gonna feel it. I wanted to get one of those Ryobi fans, like the ones that you put your battery in, like where is it? There it is. Oh no, that's not it. I'll get the other one here. So you've got these, you you plug it in, and it's one of those like little circular fans that you do. And yeah, I was gonna get one of them, but they sold out just before Christmas at Bunnings and all of that. And I'm thinking, such a good product, why they're not doing any more apparently. Bunnings said that they were on order, but they've been on order for just before Christmas, and I don't think they'll get any more. I was told by someone that was working there at 2 stores, mind you, that yeah, they won't be doing any more, which is really weird. It's a great product. It'd be super great for in here, because I don't really want I got the van going at the moment, so I can have the air conditioner duct just up there going, and that's just running from the front there, and that's my little light and desk and everything. I've got my baggage in here now. Actual physical baggage, not my mental baggage. That would weigh down this van and then some. I got my trunk in here, power cord, my lead from out the back, so it's all there. I don't know if you've seen the lead, sorry if you didn't. This one here, got that from Bunnings yesterday. So yeah, it's like I said, with my van experience and my van journey, it's not gonna be like your normal van lifers that have pretty much the money, the funds. And I'm not saying that they do have money and funds, and I don't know their financial situation. My financial situation at the moment is I live bank check to bank check, paycheck to paycheck. So I don't have anything. Everything is screaming out saying, get rid of it, get rid of it, get rid of it. But I don't want to. I made this challenge for myself when I seen some van lifers do it. They've been really successful. That was Cara and Nate. They've got a channel on here on YouTube. They've also got the Daily Drop as well. If you want, go check them out. They're really cool. I've seen other people do stuff like this. Mav does his traveling and stuff. I've seen Solo Traveler, other van lifers out there, and they've got the nice vans. They're standing in them. They're doing all their cooking and cleaning and stuff. Yeah, none of that here. I'll show videos from time to time on how I'm going, how I'm progressing. I would love some advice on what to do. I know the first things I want to get is either I'm going to black out the windows with some paint so I can take these things off, because that's just depressing. I'll probably just spray paint the windows black, and yeah, that'll keep out the light, and then I could just cover up. I've already got something for the front anyway. I got that from Shade thingy. I'll get the proper name for that later. Yeah, so it's depressing, isn't it? Oh look, you just gotta laugh. I mean, you just gotta grin and bear it and go through and do it. My goals are getting another panel on the roof, getting the 3 lithium batteries that I want, so I can be fully, off the grid. I want to get my Starlink in here. I want to get that from Harvey Norman. I want to get that new mini Starlink that has the modem already in it, so I can just slap that on the roof, fasten it there, have a cord go through and everything like that. I want to do the rock wall insulation. and do some foam and stuff as well, so I don't get any moisture between the board and me, so no mold ends up in here. And yeah, basically get all the panels done, all the wood up, and I'll reduce this king size bed to a queen, so I've got more room in here, which I don't mind. A double queen would do nicely in here. And then I'll be able to sleep, instead of feet to the driver, it'll be feet to the window, which I can sleep lengthways quite comfortably. I'm not that tall. And yeah, so, but it's gonna be an adjustment. It's hitting home right now that, wow, I'm doing it. I'm living in my van. So look, I want to look back on this video in a year and go, now, have I gone forward and have I done anything? Or I'm completely gone, van's gone, and I'm probably just in a share house somewhere and I gave up. And I don't want to give up. I would like to really want to go forward and get this done and pass it on to my son Floki when I, so to speak. My little boy now is 8 months old, Floki. He's doing really well. I'm very proud of him. Teeth are coming through. Mel is doing an exceptional job. I mean, I don't know how she does it. I've tried to look after him, but they say within the first so many months and about a year and a half, they say they're very clingy with the parents, so I get it. But when it's my turn to step up and look after him, I will be doing so. I can assure you of that. But yeah, so that's basically what I want to do, how I want to go forward, what I want to organize. It'll still be how I dream, with the bench yay there just behind the driver's seat. I'll have a nice bench that I can do stuff on and everything like that. Sort of like a mixer, bar area. Not that I'm a big drinker, but I don't mind a little nip or two just to go hee hee and have a laugh, you know. I'm not a, yeah, I think I just finished off a bottle of Glaver last night, and that had been open for about a year and a half. I'm not a big drinker. I am a very, very lightweight drinker. So I think I had 2 nips and I passed out because I was just stressed and tired and worrying about all of this, and I should be good. I mean, here we are, here I am, I've done it. Now I got to make my bed and lie in it, quite literally, which I need to get a king size sheet for this king size bed. I don't know why I bought a king size, but I got 2 pallets underneath the bed, so that's got it up off the ground at least, and over the wheel arches. Bunnings gave me them from the back of their loading dock. So I've got this. I'm gonna get this done. My motivation is for Floki. My motivation is for my mental health. My motivation is for my family. I'm going, regardless of me not living there, I am going to be there for my family. So any moral support, financial support, my GoFund. I got a link on my page to fund me if you wish. That'll be very, very welcome. But I mean, I'm not going to ask in every video to help fund me. Buy me a coffee is what another YouTuber says. From time to time I will go out in the van, and I'll go for adventures in it and stuff like that once I get a bit more stuff in here. But I need to get my funds up. Funds, resources, supplies, and I've already got people that are willing to help me put it all together. It's just getting the blueprint from here on paper to become available. But anyway, I've rambled for 15 minutes, 16 minutes now, so I'm going to sign off. Please like and subscribe. Once I get this place set up a bit more, I will show happier videos. I'm going to show you my progress. I'm going to show you what's going on. I mean, I did say I'm doing a Fallout theme. Excuse me. So I've got my mat here that I got for Christmas, Vault 101. I've got my Fallout Boy and my Nuka-Cola thing up the front. So it's coming along. So it's coming along, and I can't wait to show you guys exactly how it's coming along. And yeah, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.